airsoft gun versus pop can. Alright. Get it. Alright. Ready, set, go.
So that's actually, that seemed like his real bullet because you see him flying. You can see him flying like crazy.
You out?
No. What's going on? I still have no.
Here, hold on.
The result.
Come on. Oh yeah, very dented.
Found the ammo.
Oh, right through.
Right through.
Look at that. That's crazy.
Yeah, that one right through. Oh, here's one of the bullets. That's
Yeah.
the bullet went right through.
That's essentially not the BB.
It's a, yeah.
Oh yeah, who cares? Same
Yeah,
thing.
good luck.
Wow. That's
Here's another
crazy.
one.
Yeah.
Good luck trying to find.
That's
BBs.
crazy.
Here, put the camera at me.
There's tons of them.
Put the can somewhere.
Good luck trying to find BBs. It's gonna take forever.
I know. Here's 3 of them. Dude, here's 3 of them.
Alright, that was
Did you hear?
airsoft gun versus pop can. Obviously, airsoft gun won. Alright,
Just a
the end.